I'm gonna be real. That was stupid. Nice crouch, idiot. Kind of want to put some music on, but I don't know. I usually save that for like really long streams. Part of me wants to do it though. What the fuck? Wrong direction, but it worked, so hey. Oh my, what is this, Velden? Oh wait, I might have to reset Jankpot. Oh no, we're actually fine, okay. Normally, if you reset before, like, I think it's Umbrus, you have to reset Jankpot, but I seem to be fine, so cool. Okay, can you give me not really shit bolts this time? That'd make me very happy. Oh my god, thank you! That... You actually made up for last time. Be cool now. Dude, I can't fucking speak anymore. I'm losing my mind. This sickness hitting different. What? I don't know what I was doing there. Okay, train skip didn't fail horribly, so that's cool. Okay, Jankpot, be nice to me. Please. I'm surprised I didn't get... Really? I'm surprised I didn't get 4K. Nice GILJs. Solid. Okay, still better time than last run. Oh, come on. That was terrible. Doom doo doo doom doo doom doo 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 doo. Okay, box. Be nice to me. Also, bolts, be nice to me, please. I didn't pick up the bombs. Are you kidding? Are you kidding serious? Ah. Okay. Shit. All right. Wasn't expecting that, to be honest. The only reason I was brave enough to try that is because I've actually been doing shockingly well at those today. Paid off. Again, wrong direction, but fuck it.
Hey,
Whoa. Okay, now I gotta wait a cycle. Well, god damn. Woo! Also, I still have no bombs. No bombs, no bolts, no bitches. Period. Oh, thank God. I thought I fucked up. I probably could have gone for another midair instead of a side flip, but hey, we take these. Okay. Hey man, ILJs are as simple as fucking throwing your head at the wall and just doing them over and over until you get them. It took me like a solid few weeks of just straight up failing and sucking at them before I finally understood the rhythm. It's just... it's just repetition. You got this, Robo. Anybody can do them. Okay, so now this is a new route, so I actually have to get creative with the bolt routing. No! Okay, I was gonna say, I cannot miss my Amazon drone. Oh, thank God. That's the wrong direction! Whatever. Damn. A Battalia that isn't garbage so far? Asterisk. Okay, I have 2 health. I gotta be real careful here. Yeah, give me all this shit. Please. Oh, thank God. Oh! Oh! Oh, beautiful. Oh, my lord. All right. Tiptoes? No, I'm not brave enough. It's been too long since I've practiced. I'm gonna be a pussy and just do this. I don't care. I actually need to practice my tiptoes so I'm brave enough to do them in runs. I'm pretty sure... Was it my any percent or my AGB PB that actually had successful tiptoes? Because of that, I actually need to do them, like, consistently now if I want to PB again. Time. I actually did everything right and first try. What? How am I losing time? Like, I'm genuinely confused. Whatever. I'm still ahead, so... It's whatevs. Poverty sim... Yeah. This definitely is a poverty simulator. I mean, so far the game has actually been... decently nice to me. Okay. Are you kidding me? Come on. How? How? How did that push me out? That was like... That was actually good. Where am I? Okay. What? What do you mean? What do you mean? That's always where I do it. Alright, well... I'm still gonna keep it going, but this might be a bust. God, I love 01. How? Someone please explain. This isn't even the hard part of this planet. What the fuck? For real though, this isn't even the hard part. The hard part's the tree skip. Alright, well. PB is still possible though, so I am gonna keep this going. As much as it sucks to lose a minute, it is what it is. Please tell me I didn't hit the checkpoint. Okay. Ah, God, I hate ship 2. Okay, poking any percent is really straightforward, so... yeah.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
I flipped my stick left. What? Okay, this is where Poverty Simulator really shines. Okay. Okay, this should be really good. Or not. Whoa. Okay. Still worked out. Don't care. I really needed to start being more confident. Because I know I killed all the fish, but I still gotta look. Dude couldn't even get out of the water. Okay, this is looking a little scary. No, thank you. I would like to not die, thanks. Oh! Oh, let's go.
We're here.
Okay. Was not expecting that to work, actually. Nice. If this ship, I swear to God. Okay. Yes. Okay, that could not have been closer.
What?
Sheesh. All right. PB pace again. And my sobs went down to a 31. Woo! Goddamn. Honestly, how is that not faster than doing the Clank walking over to the Magna Boots? I swear to God, that's faster. Ooh, that was close. No! Holy shit. Alright. This is the planet I was most worried about, so... we actually got off pretty easy. Oh, it's so pain. But... shit, we made it. And I'm gonna take these. Let's go. Actual, like, good PB pace. Come on, let's break a new minute barrier. Let's do it. Okay, 25:13.
That.
Okay, first big time loss. No longer a concern. Okay, this is bad. I'm already, like, losing too much health. I'll probably be fine, though. Oh, never mind, we're good. I don't want to speak too soon. Come on. Holy shit, this shit broke like it was nothing.
We must get...
Woohoo! That's what I like to see. Oh, fuck. I gotta go for Magna Walk. I really don't want to. I'm going to fail it. No, I can't go. No, I gotta have a good attitude.
I did...
I will not fail Magna Walk. I just gotta keep a cool head, and we'll all be fine. A lot faster. I don't actually know the timing, but if you don't go for Magnawalk, you have to get the PDA and then either reload or, well, no, you would just IJ down, and then you have to go all the way to the guy. Like, you would have to go all the way back down.
Thank you. Thank you. Tonight's event.
Whereas if you get Magnawalk, you just go right from the guy to the entrance to get to the, There we go. Now that we're between planets, I can actually speak. Without Magnawalk, you get the PDA, you IJ all the way back to the ship, and then you go to the guy, and then you go back to the ship. Whereas with Magnawalk, you go to the guy, and then you go right back to the Magnaboot platform, you get the PDA, and then you just IJ to the ship. So it actually cuts out a decent chunk of walking. I'm going to get the insurance checkpoint. I don't even care, because I am going for Magnawalk. If I get it first try, I still save time. What? I thought I landed back on the thing. All right, whatever. Let's go. Okay, okay. We might still save time. I just need to practice it so I get it consistently.
No.
Like, I know roughly the areas, and I just kind of freeball it. But you'll see, we don't have to trek all the way back over here. We just go right over to get the PDA. That's why it's faster. Also, I will save time because I used to go the AGB route to get the PDA because I didn't know you could skip it and just jump to the sliding ice thing. I just realized that, like, recently. So that's already a good, 5 to 10 seconds. Let's find out. Let's see what we end this planet on. We got a minute to finish this if we want to break even. That was a sus as fuck camera angle. That's gonna hit me. That's fine. I just realized it was gonna hit me. Ugh. Yeah, see, I went the casual way before. I didn't know you could just do this. Boom. See, I still saved time. I would have saved a lot more if I didn't fail Magnawalk, so... Still more time saved to be had. Nice. Did that dude try to shoot me as I was taking off? It's a new one. Why was my Velden 2 so long? Did my Drek fight just take a while? Maybe he left the arena. I thought I almost ground pounded. That scared me. No. Oh, fuck off. Oh, we're still good. Am I still gonna gold? I'm still gonna gold. All right. Man, and I lost a minute. So whatever PB I get, it can still go up, down by another minute. Holy shit. All right. This is actually looking decent. Damn. I really have to go for these.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Fuck! Actually, I'll respawn by the ship, so it's fine. Oh! I thought I was gonna hyper strike. I'm playing way too fearful right now. All the scary shit's over. I just gotta IJ. Relax the nerves. Relax. Where am I going? Oh, come on, let's see if we can skip 2 minutes. Yes! Bombs. My man. Yes, dude! Skipping a minute. Let's go. Funny button. God damn it. Well, that was a couple seconds, but whatever. I don't even care. Dude, I didn't pay Drek anything. He just decided to be the homie. Woo! I will say, I might have paid him off to give me bombs the first bit, but, you know, it is what it is. I still can't believe I got funny button.
Phew, that was close.
So, all I'm seeing from this is that I could easily get a 33 because I lost over a minute
Now, the servo
on Orcs on 1.
broken.
God damn it.
As in,
All right.
all to our deaths, bro.
Okay, I'm glad I did that. Now let's go to no QE, huh? Oh, we gotta check to see if the run is valid.
To you.
000. Run is valid. This is a true any percent run. There we go. One whole gold bolt for the fans. Oh, in here, since we PB'd, I'll give you a gent. Okay.